I assure you, that's not a real crocodile. That's a fake one. That's a made-up one. And it's missing half of his lower jaw, so he can't eat that fish. There's no crocodiles on the Bogan River here in Nyngan. In fact, there are no crocodiles in this part of Australia, so you're safe to go swimming in there. Plenty of carp though, lots of carp, but no crocs. This is showing the flood level, the Bogan River here. This is showing how high. So in 1990, flood is up here. That's up here, 1990. So we would have been swimming now. Down to here will be, 1976 down here, and 1955 up here. So 1990, ooh, that was a big flood. That's a river within the Murray-Darling system that flows from near Parkes, New South Wales for about 620 kilometres. Generally north-northwest past Nyngan before flowing into the Darling River near Bourke. Now, unlike many other rivers, the Bogan does not have its source in a high rainfall area, resulting in low and erratic flows into the Bogan system. Therefore, it's not useful for irrigation or town supply. By contrast, in April 1990, this big flood, Nyngan and the surrounding districts suffered the worst flooding had ever since been settled in this area. They even had to bring in helicopters to get people out. That's right. Snakes naturally occur. See, stick to the path. If you see a snake, remain calm and avoid disturbing it. The actual fact is snakes generally do not attack people. And it says, you are here. We'll go on a nature walk and look. Yes, birds native, rabbit not native, pigs not native. Let's see what we'll encounter around here in the bush. On this nature trail is coming on dusk. It's evening and I've had a beer and it's spooky. I'm all alone. There's dangers out here. Aha! It's a dog.